Welcome to Marine Aesthetics. We are in the heart of Ayia Napa Marina. Clients from all over the world visit us to be treated by some of the top doctors and plastic surgeons that work at Marine Aesthetics. Our clients fly from all over the world to be treated by the best plastic surgeons and doctors.
We source only the very best products for our clients. We are experts in cosmetic and aesthetic procedures. Safety, professionalism and effective treatments is our main focus. So if you want to be treated by the best, visit us at Ayia Napa Marina Marine Aesthetics.